In this blog, we will see how to change the themes in between dark and light mode in your Flutter application. So in general, the dark and light themes are popular in the theme wise when you see any application. Mostly like in the Google applications, you can find this particular thing. Like YouTube, there will be a dark and light theme. So now let us see how to implement that in your application. So here we are using a plugin dynamic underscore theme, and also you can update the version according to the latest available. And let us go through the coding part once. So here we are initializing it with void main, and here we have considered the my app, which is a default class, and extending a stateless widget here. So here we are returning the dynamic theme, the plugin we have initiated, the plugin we have added to our dependency, right? So with the help of that plugin we are returning the dynamic theme here. And here we are providing the default brightness, that is whenever you run the application the default brightness will be light, so that is the white color. Here we are providing the theme data here, the colors, I mean the primary colors which we provide to every application here, and also the brightness. And here you can see the theme widget builder we have defined here, and inside which we are returning a material app here. So we have provided the basic requirements like the title and theme to our material app, and in the home we have declared a my home page class which is extending a stateful widget. And also you can see that here we are passing the parameter title, so we are setting the title to our my home page class here. So in the my home page state, which is extending the state of my home page here, so we have specified the app bar and also the text to be displayed in the app bar here. And in the body here we are considering a single button only. So in the body we are considering a button here, flat button, and we have also specified an icon to the button. Here you can see the icon, it is a brightness icon, and on press we are changing the theme here. So here you can see our brightness we are changing from light to dark here. So as we discussed in the earlier, we are changing the theme from light to dark here. So now let us try to see the output once so that you can get a good clarity on the things. So here as we have specified, this is a button, this is a flat button which we have considered, and there is no text to the button, just we have specified an icon here. So you can see this is the icon. So when you tap on the icon you can see the change in the theme. So now let us try it. So here you can see the theme is now changed to the dark mode. So whenever you tap on the button, so this particular process is been executed here on press, and the change brightness is called, and here it will check whether the brightness is dark. If it is dark, then it will be changing to the light here. So currently it is in the dark mode, right? So when you tap on it, it will be changed to light mode, and whenever it is in the light mode, it will be changed to the dark mode, and vice versa, like the same. So depending upon the current theme we will be changing the theme. So this is how we implement a basic theme from in our Flutter application. So the code for this tutorial is available in the description section below, and if you are facing any queries or if you have any doubts regarding this particular topic, do let me know in the comment section below. And if you like this tutorial, do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content on Flutter.